What's up, guys? So what we're gonna get started with today is a little neck shave. Here at Taylor Barber Co., we like to keep you guys looking really good in between your haircuts. At about that 2-week mark is usually when you start to see this kind of like fuzzy stuff going on in the back. It's really annoying, especially for us guys. So we're just gonna take care of that for Donovan. What we're gonna do is just tilt his head forward a little bit. This is super simple. You can come into our salon, see anybody you want, and be able to get this service done in under about 5 minutes. It's a really quick service. It's actually not even a service, it's just more of like a maintenance thing that we like to give our clients. Keep their hair looking fresh.
Is it free?
It is free, unless you've never been a client to our salon. And so we like to keep the hairline on our guys looking neat. One, it's going to make your haircut look better longer. And if you're trying to maintain kind of that professional look, I mean, these are the little touches that are going to set you apart from everyone else. There have been so many times where I've been walking down the street and I'll see a pretty decent haircut, and as soon as that guy turns around, you just see like a big bush on the back of their neck, and nobody wants to see that. I know as a guy myself, I don't like feeling those little hairs 2 weeks after that haircut.
Exactly.
I think the cool thing about this is that, because it only takes a couple of minutes, you could literally walk in off the street. Any one of our stylists will be able to take care of you. I'm just gonna move around to the side. So this would be like a really quick taper down of the hairline. And then we're just gonna move our way around the back of the ear and into the front of the ear. And then just do a little shave and we'll be all set. As a guy, this is probably the most annoying part that grows out first. It's definitely the first thing I notice when I look in the mirror. Just see those few hairs just kind of sticking out and touching the top of the ear. Just get rid of those. So we're going to use Joe's Grooming Shaving Cream. I really love this line. It's all organic. The shaving cream itself is very dense and can be diluted into a nice, like, creamy frothiness. You just work that into the skin, and then working in a downward fashion here. We're going to maintain a natural feel to the hairline. So we're not going to go through and create like a really sharp, hard edge. Here at Taylor Barber Co., we like to keep a nice, soft, blended, tapered hairline so that when it does grow in, it looks its most natural. And we're not getting that super boxy or rounded look that other salons love giving you guys. There's one thing I like clients saying is, if they try to tell me to give them a box or a round in the back, and it gives me an opportunity to let them know that there are better options out there. Those aren't the only two, and this one's the best one. And then no shave is complete without a little moisturizer. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. See that nice clean hairline? Beautiful. Yeah.